Hi, the purpose of this demonstration or this presentation is to help you understand how to collect the U.S. Census data. And this is for your assignment in the Google Classroom 410. And you'll be collecting the U.S. Census data and putting it in the chart. Remember, we'll be looking for the demographic categories to complete, thinking about your potential customers, who will you be serving, and why would this information be important for you? And you'll be writing the actual numbers, percentages, and numbers of people in different ages, genders, races, marital status, etc., that are important to your business from the U.S. Census data search. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go to the U.S. Census data website, how to search for the census data you need, and then you will go to Google Classroom 4.10 and write those numbers in the chart. Okay, so here we are. Here we are at the website, datacensus.gov/CEDSCI/. Use the advanced search, and we're going to use the filters. So over here on the left are the different filters. We're going to start with geography. That is going to give us our location, geography. Now, very, very important. If you want a specific city, you have to go down the list, and choose county subdivision. Click. Now, what state are you looking at? If you're looking in Minnesota, choose Minnesota. If you're looking in Wisconsin, choose Wisconsin. I'm looking in Minnesota. Click. Now, what county are you looking in? I want to look in St. Paul, which is in Ramsey County. So I go down my list to find Ramsey County. Maybe you want Minneapolis, so you look in Hennepin County. Maybe you want Woodbury, so you look in Dakota County. So find your county. Then you will be able to find the city in your county. So I'm going to look for St. Paul. Here it is, St. Paul City, Ramsey County, Minnesota. Once I do that, I'm going to click on the search button in the bottom corner. Okay, there's two places I can go to. The first place I want to show you is this big box, St. Paul, Ramsey County, Minnesota profile. Has tons of information that you can use to write on your 4.10 Google Classroom assignment. It has how many people, their ages, under 5 years, 7.4%. 18 and older, 74.8%. These are the ages you'll be able to write down in your chart if you're looking for St. Paul. I can look at languages, but that's not what I need for my chart. I need race and ethnicity. So white in St. Paul, Black or African in St. Paul, Asian in St. Paul. Okay, looking at that. We can go down, we can look at education level. High school or equivalent, 20.6%. No college or some college to no college, 18%. Okay, these are the numbers you'll be able to write down. Employment, income. Male average income, 47,212. Female, 44,116. All right, write that information in your chart after you find the city you're looking at. All right, there's one other place that's very interesting to go. I'm going to use the back arrow. I'm going to go back because this first table, ACS, Demographic and Housing Estimates, has some interesting information. If you want to be more specific about male and female, if you want to be more specific about how many people in the different age categories, you can find all of those numbers here. Okay, so that's a good one. More specific about race, you will find the numbers here. All right, so those are the two places I would recommend, here and here. Okay, so just a quick recap. Once you get to the website, go to Advanced Search, Geography, County Subdivision, the state you are interested in, for example, Minnesota, the county you are interested in, for example, Ramsey, and the city you are interested in, for example, St. Paul, and then you click on search. All right, and then you can look here and you can look here. All right, I hope that helps you out. Make sure you then go to your Google Classroom and write the numbers in the correct demographic categories and submit that assignment. All right, good luck.